show. I'm gonna be showing you this car that I made in Screwdrivers. It's lightweight. It has a very good cornering, and yeah, well, a lot of downforce. It's also very simple. It's not difficult to build. It took like maybe 20-15 minutes, something like that. It handles very well as well. It has decent acceleration, and yeah, it's so much fun to drive. As you can see, like, it handles very well. So yeah, let's head into the garage real quick. I've made two versions. One with the this is the gas engine version, and one with an electric engine. Okay, so at the engine we have a planetary gear into a 1-2-3 into a 1-2-1, and then we have some shenanigans going on in the back. It's rear-wheel drive only due to weight savings. This particular one weighs 253, which is not that heavy. It's very lightweight. If you 253. If you swap the tires, it weighs 313. If you swap them to the racing wheel small instead of the dirt wheel small. The electric version is better. It's lighter weight, and it has more power. Just look at the curve. It has more power basically through the entire range. It's just better in every way. The gas version might be kind of like more fun to drive. You can just feel the turbo through like 80 to 120 maybe. You feel you can feel the increase in power basically. But the electric version is just better. It's easier to drive too because the power curve is more predictable. It's easier getting used to, at least. This thing handles very well. I'm gonna help into gravel road grind. Hopefully I'll get a decent time. Okay, so we're in gravel road grind. I was gonna not cut this video, but I got an awful time, so I'm gonna cut that out. Hopefully we don't crash. This car is very inconsistent on the off-road part of this track. Well, on any off-road, anything off-road, it needs to drive on smooth terrain. But what do you expect? It's like a cart with a humongous wing, you know. It's not gonna be the best off-roading vehicle. It's gonna be one of the better just driving on smooth ground vehicles though. It has really good cornering. Stupidly good cornering. But this is what I'm was talking about. Hopefully gonna make it out. Yeah, so broke a lot of the front wing, which is gonna impact our driving performance quite a lot. I'm going to take it easy in these turns. Still down. Driving pretty well still with the broken front wing, so we're chilling. This might be one thing I might change, which is putting the front wing higher so it doesn't break as easily on off-road terrain. So it kind of like clips the ground. Let me just hill bomb this. Maybe I'll get a decent time. Yeah, I did get a PB. Where does that place us? Probably it places us 22nd place. That's pretty good, especially for like a 300 kilogram car, which is like a very simple vehicle without off-road. If I had off-road suspension and stuff and made it bigger, you know, and put more wings, put everything, made it more expensive, it would probably be able to handle the what do you call it, the off-road section better, and probably save like 10 seconds or so, you know. But then if I drove well, I'd probably be able to save like 5 or 10 seconds as well, so that's 20 seconds, you know. But yeah, that might be another video actually. One thing I'm considering as well is making an airplane or a land speeder with a propeller, because I'm gonna show you actually. I've tried to make a car already, but that thing sucks, so I'm gonna redo it. But the propellers actually work in this game. This is just a test. See? What this shit works. That's cool. It works really well. Let me show you the car too. It's kind of stupid. I need to like this. This thing is so bad, but yeah. If I get going straight, yeah, it's very fast. No, don't turn. Okay. It goes up to like 800. Let me just. It's hard to get there though, because it drives so poorly. But I think this car might be able to beat or something similar to this might be able to beat get the first place on the long straight challenge, which is gonna be fun. This is a first test vehicle, you could say. Still really quick. What's at the end of the map? Is there anything here? It looks to be like a, I don't know. No, it just keeps going. Oh, what happened? I went supersonic, I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's a good end to the video. I'll see you in the next one, maybe.